Lashai kasngi ka khat reu Tarik Nailur lese kalong kasngi ka bagi babon ki Paidbah jong ni ka jela kumjo ki wede ki jela kani ka than chatai lamingi barok we bat khamtam ki Paidbah jong kari lom khasi jantia ki layai up laslam ya kani kasngi namar ka de kasngi ha ka ba on supply Paidbah no ha barok we kari India ya ka film Hindi ka batmai ka bala ai ka teng ka pink kadawi ka bagi Paidbah lese ki up khmilanti ya kani kasngi lano ban pelaj no ya kani film kadai na ka jigadon bantaro ban ak ha kani ka film jong ka we ka samla khasi kasamla Andrea Taryang kakhon jong wei ni kinong tem bapau na kani ka jela ba Rudi walang bolang nong seng ya ka wei ka kanhon tem soulmate haswa ban plat ba ya kani ka film ka batti CCTV klatwa jingmot chapang ka jinglong khna jong samla Andrea Taryang kabalayo banyakren bar headmaster jong skol kidis corner ubalong ru pakhna jong ni ka samla ba Brian Walang.
Well, I'm Brian Walang, the headmaster of KC Secondary School and also Andrea's uncle. Yeah, Andy was in KC for her whole life from the time from lower nursery right up to class 10. She was a very, very shy girl, but the other day when I went for the screening of the first show, the private screening, I couldn't believe how confident she was and how easily she handled the press when they asked her questions, and I was so proud of her. Basically, Andy has been from the time she was small a girl very interested in performing arts, in music, in dance, in writing her own songs, and lately that has really been her passion. And I think getting a chance to be with Mr. Bachchan in this movie is something which we never ever dreamt of, and even I don't think she ever dreamt of it. And I think luck was on her side, plus her talent where music, acting was concerned, and yeah, I'm so proud of her.
Ba Brian Walang ulai thuru bahadian bola dap ni yang ni film hakaba kasamna Andrea Taryang kalayo bat up film bat actor bapau kari Amitabh Bachchan bat kiwe de kiting shap puran ula pa ko jingso komen ba kasamna Andrea Taryang kalayo banyadan mentah hakani ka film namar kadai ka film ka bala thau kat kun ko jing em jing samla hakani ka juk mentah keberon sipun ka jingkit jimon ka mentah ki samla.
Well, I was very fortunate to be able to see this movie last Sunday with my mom and Andy's sister Elaine. It was a special screening mostly for the Bollywood actresses, but since I was there and I had to come back to Shillong, so they permitted me to go and watch the movie. And I must say that movie is a movie which I never believed. It was so intense, and the subject matter also is very relevant with today, with young people today. And I don't know, actually I really do not want to tell you the story about the movie because I really want everyone to go and check it out, but I'm telling you, you would never be disappointed. At the end of the movie, actually, after it ended, I thought everyone would stand up and clap, but everyone just sat down there and most of them were crying. That's how powerful the message was and how it touched everybody watching that movie. And I really want people in Shillong to go and check it out, and especially young people, because it is something which is so relevant with today, with young people, with girls, with boys. The issue is just unbelievable. And Andy and all the other stars just acted so well. Mr. Bachchan, of course, was out of this world. He was super amazing. And to tell you the truth, this was my first Bollywood movie I've ever seen in my life. And it was something I'll never forget. That experience is so special. Yeah, actually, as I was saying earlier about the movie, I mean, everyone talks about Bollywood movies, so we think a lot of dancing, a lot of singing. And this movie, from the beginning to the end, was so intense. I mean, everyone was sitting on the edge of their seats, just watching it and just trying to absorb all that was there. I mean, I heard they took 3 years just to write the script of this movie, and the director, the actors, everyone has just played their part so well. In fact, a very famous Bollywood actress, her name is Kangana. Yeah, she could not sit there. I mean, after the movie, she just left because she sent a message to Andy after that, telling Andy that she's done such an amazing job with the acting, and she left because the emotion. I mean, the emotions were too strong within her. She could not even bear to stand there and talk about it. She just had to leave, and so she just apologized. But then it's that strong and that powerful, this message, and I think every young person, actually even older people, but every young person should go and watch this movie, because the message that they get there, it's worth every bit of it.
Shosho nakaliang Brian Walang ulayaweru yaki Paidbah kamtam gisamla bakim dai ban pep akabalik pet yakanik film knang baki weipat kinyo man sia man poi sakathong kamtam hakani ka juk manta kilat krenti ki play karhai andai ka song pat satang ha kita ki baran sap komna ban pano kam hok eka par ban om kan din
उस वक्त आपने क्या क्लियर इंडिकेशन दिया कि इस वक्त मैं सेक्स में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूं। आपने पैसे लिए, मांगे?
लिए हमने पैसे।
फिर आपने ऐसा क्यों किया?
जबरदस्ती पकड़ के रखा हुआ था मुझे। अगर दोबारा करेगा ना सर, तो तुम्हारा खींच के बॉटल मारूंगी इसके सिर पे मैं।
You are a woman of questionable character.
सर मैंने नहीं मांगे थे सर पैसे। प्लीज सुनिए तो सही सर, ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं सर, प्लीज।
Ngakerpat ya ki Paidbah, bakinya light pet ya kanika film, kaban sa Pyllait, haka Tarik Nailur. Kublai Shibon.